What's up, everybody? Adam from A-Town Piracy here. Getting ready to head on another adventure. Me and the wife are heading to Wateree Dam, which it is actually closed right now, but we're going anyways. We got a bag full of bait, got the truck packed up. It's roughly about 45 degrees right now, not too bad. Wife's in there getting ready. We're hoping we're going to bring you an epic day of fishing. Just going to be some bank fishing right there at the dam coming off the Wateree Lake here in South Carolina. Give you some footage on the way down there. Let's get after it. Got me and Miss McKinley down here at the river. We're on the bottom side of Lake Wateree on the tail race part. We're going to get some baits out, find out what we can catch, let you see where we're at.
All right, Adam's on.
Huh? This is a good fish.
Catfish, you think?
I think so.
Yep. He's already quit.
I think I got him hooked in the side or something.
Check him out, guys. Oh, now he's like in a little death roll. No, you got him.
We got him.
Dang! He's trying to go under the rock there, Adam.
That's on a piece of chicken.
Pull him up this way. Look, I am not a good camera person. Look at that, guys. That's a whopper.
Nice
Damn.
little blue cat, I think. Right off the bat. It's a cut chicken.
What you gonna do with him?
We'll keep him. I brought a stringer to keep him. Alright guys, nice little blue cat. Bait was in the water maybe a minute, even less than that. Piece of frozen chicken off of a chicken leg. We're gonna get him on the stringer and hopefully hook up something else. We haven't even got the camera set up yet. Oh, I think he dropped it. I think he dropped it. Gotta run. And we're hooked up. That's another nice fish. You want to grab the net? It's a pretty good fish. He hadn't died, he's just laying there. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Another nice, probably 10-15 pound blue. Can't beat that. Alright guys, another blue circle hook. Worked like it was supposed to, right in the corner of the mouth. I'm going to get him unhooked, get him on the stringer. We're going to make this a meat day. And so far the Wateree trip has worked out pretty good. It's cold. My poor wife is freezing. But she's being a tough one and hanging out for me. Alright, get back with you in a minute. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you just heard the siren go off. They're getting ready to open the water up and let water out of the dam. If you couldn't hear, my wife just asked me how much time we have. I was uncertain. I assumed 5 or 10 minutes, but if you keep an eye on the water line, you were going to see that I was wrong. This is real time. I was real wrong. Alright, watch the fish get live right here at the water line. Now look at the water line. Now watch the panic.
We gotta fucking go. How far up?
Just get up there. Shit.
Up this side, do you? Not bad.
Like my lines are still out. Grab the camera.
Huh?
Grab the camera.
What about your fish?
I'll get them. Alright guys, we were just standing out there fishing. Siren went off, let us know that the water's getting ready to rise. I figured it'd take at least 5 or 10 minutes to come up 2 or 3 feet. It took like 15 seconds. So we had to bail out. We got our fish. All our gear and stuff is back here on this bank. You can see the water is still rising pretty quick, so I'm not going to stand around and talk too much. Alright guys, back at the house. 2 catfish from the trip. I'm getting ready to transfer them into that cooler and let them bleed out. I'm going to take this machete. I'm not going to show it on camera because I don't know what YouTube would do, but I'm going to cut his tail off on both of them, and that way they will bleed out. I don't know if you've ever went to clean a catfish and they stay alive forever. I hate that. But like I say, you chop that tail off, he'll bleed out within a minute or two. But I'm going to put them in this cooler, put them on ice, and let's get a weight on them, see what they weighed. See it? 11.6. Is it not recording? Oh, you can see it.
Went up to 12.
All right.
That one's almost 13.
Almost 13.
Poor fella.
12.9.
Alright.
My wife's a funny lady. She's really concerned about what I'm about to do to these catfish, but she don't care at all about murdering a redfish. But anyways, get ready to do what I gotta do, and I will get back at you at a later date. Check you later. Bye.